Alright, today we're going to take a look at how to put a camera mount on your GoPro. So, I did a video on this GoPro ball joint here. Basically, it's just set up here at the bottom. You can buy this particular GoPro mount that allows you to put pretty much any kind of camera that has the tripod attachment on it. So here's your typical GoPro mounting system right here, and then this is the portion, this is the piece that you want to be sure to buy. Click the description for the most recent price, but basically what happens is these two teeth fit into here, and then on the other side it has this male mounting screw that you can use to install a camera. So I have a T4i camera. At the bottom of it, it has a female mounting, I'm not sure what you would call it, but a place to mount it with this screw. When I put this onto any of my GoPro mounts, they can hold my DSLR camera. So this is the way that it works. So you just unscrew the mounting screw here, install this little extra attachment there, put the screw back in, and then adjust it to wherever you need it to be adjusted to, tighten it, and there you have it. So you're ready to mount whatever phone or attachment onto there. So I use this for my phone in my car. So this mounts to my windshield, this GoPro mount. And then at the bottom, I use this cell phone holder. It's flexible. It's pretty firm. So it grips onto my cell phone. But here, as you can see at the bottom, it has the female mounting screw right there. So what you want to do is just go ahead and install it right here and just screw it in. Instead of screwing this little mount cell phone holder, you would just want to screw in your DSLR camera. So there you have it. Okay, so now that we have that installed, this is basically my little setup here. So we'll go ahead and pull this tab down on the GoPro, slide in the GoPro mount, push the tab, but here is the connection that I have right here that we just took a look at. Right here is where the mounting screw is. So this can just come right off. This is what I use for my cell phone when I'm using it for navigation. But if you want to install the camera, you just put it right here onto this little screw. Of course, your camera is going to be upside down at that point, so you want to be sure to check your settings so that way when you upload your video, it's not upside down. So okay, so that is the mounting attachment for a typical camera onto a GoPro mount. Hopefully you liked the video. If you did, be sure to click thumbs up or check the description box for more information. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.